Hello everybody. Today I will talk about management information system. Management information system is a software system that will take data as input, processes data and produces information as output. Organizations use management information system to ease their decision making process, to have competitive advantage, to ease their daily occurring tasks and activities. Management information system is supposed to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the organization. Information systems have become very important today for business and management. Information technology plays a vital role in increasing productivity. In order to produce product, organizations need different kinds of information. And to generate information, data has to be processed. Information technology enables to handle different kinds of data and in different volume of data quite easily. So organization which will be producing different kinds of products will get appropriate information such that they can produce correct amount of product for correct customers. Information system allows organization to understand organization demand, organization behavior. Organizations can act according to the information produced by information technology. Information technology can provide foundation for creating new products, services, and ways of conducting businesses that provide firms with a strategic advantage. New products like products embedded with information technology. For example, in the digital camera we can see internet connectivity is provided. We can instantly share the images taken by digital camera. So what we can say is IT can be used in products also. For product tracking we can use RFID code that will enable organizations to track their products. So ID information technology provides foundation for creating new products, services. Business can use information technology to conduct business in different ways such that they have strategic advantage. E-commerce, e-businesses are examples of conducting business in different way which can provide strategic advantage to the organizations. Role of information system in today's competitive business environment is very important to understand. Information system helps organizations to cope with changes in global economies and business enterprises. We already know that the global economies are changing with time. There are lots of improvements in the method, in the way enterprises, organizations work. And information system helps organization to understand those changes, how to handle those changes in this global economies. Communication and analytical tools are provided for conducting and managing businesses on a global scale. Information technology enables organizations to communicate cost effectively. Organization, anywhere it may be, can communicate with another organization wherever it may be. The use of internet technology, web technologies, and there are several software which works on internet enables organizations to communicate with different organizations. So what we can say is communication and analytical tools that been generated by information technology enables organizations to enhance their businesses, to improve their businesses, to do boundaryless businesses. Today's business environment is competitive in nature and is based on new knowledge-based products and services. Information systems help businesses form to organize their knowledge assets and are foundation of new knowledge-based products and services. So organization people have to understand what is in the market, what is in the environment, how competitors are using this information technology. So information technology enables organizations to work on the basis of information knowledge and produce new knowledge-based products, new knowledge-based services. Information system helps whatever knowledge information that originate within the organization to manage those knowledge assets correctly. That means whenever organization want to know something, it can immediately access that information. So information system helps business firms to organize their knowledge assets. So we have to understand who has what within our organization. In the organization, several employees will be working. Employees have their own idea, no skill, knowledge, and information technology helps to capture those knowledge which are in the form of abstract, which are in the abstract form in the mind of customers, in the mind of employees. Information technology helps to organize data that exists after the transactions. So new knowledge-based products and services are created. In the e-commerce, we can see several new digital items are available, using which customers can get knowledge. Information system helps organizations to manage flexible arrangement of employees and coordinate with other organizations existing anywhere. It is very necessary for managers, board of directors to understand how employees are working within the organization. What is the knowledge level, skill of employees? Information system helps to organize information about employees. That will enable organizations to manage flexible arrangement of employees. That will enable organizations to coordinate with other organizations. Organization can be anywhere. Organization can be connected with the help of internet. Impact of internet and internet technologies on business and government. We already know that internet provides global connectivity. Internet is a network of network. Several computers are connected in the internet. Those computers can communicate with each other, share data and information. Internet provides global connectivity and a flexible platform for uninterrupted flow of data and information across the globe. We can communicate anytime, anywhere with anybody using the internet. Same is true for the organizations also. Internet is primary technology for e-commerce, e-business and emerging digital forms. E-commerce, e-business, where digital tools are used to do transaction, and to do digital transactions, internet is necessary. Internet enables to make forms digital. Digital forms are those in which internet technologies are heavily used to manage, conduct their internal business processes and to enhance relationship with customers and suppliers. E-government uses internet to provide government services to clients and improve internal operations, empower citizens to connect with other citizens. Governments are also using this internet technology to provide its services to customers. Customers do not have to go to the government organizations to get the service. Using the internet and websites of this government organization, they can do several things from their home or from outside of these organizations. Citizens can be connected with each other. Citizens can share information about different tasks and activities, different services provided by the government using the internet. Information system from a technical and business perspective. From business perspective, information system is a value-making proposition. It creates economic value for the firm, provides organization and management solutions. Using the information system, organization can increase efficiency and effectiveness. Organization can serve customers in better way using the information systems. So information systems, we can see in certain cases, reduces the cost incurred to serve the customers by organizations. So information systems provide economic value for the organizations. In the production systems, information system may help to reduce the production cost if proper informations are made available, if the value chains are organized properly, if whatever information is required to all components of the value chains are provided timely, if the information are provided reliable. In that case, the production time will be reduced, the production cost will be reduced. So what we can say is, from the business perspective, information system is a value making proposition. In organizations, transaction cost, agency cost can be reduced with the help of information system. From a technical perspective, information system is a system which collects, stores, processes, and disseminates information to support organizational functioning and decision making. To make decision, organization need information. Organization will be collecting data from several touch points within the organization. and those data collected will be processed to generate information which will be of value in functioning of organization and decision makings. Information systems are outcome of an organization structure, culture, politics, business processes. They are instruments which bring change, value for organization. Organizations have their own features like structure, culture, politics, business processes. All these features are necessary to understand. Information systems bring change. Organization must be able to cope with those changes. Otherwise, information system may not be able to provide any value for the organization. Information system and major business functions. We already know that in organizations several business functions are defined. Some of the major business functions are sales and marketing, account and financing, production and manufacturing, human resource management. Now let's talk about sales and marketing systems first. Sales and marketing systems help to identify customer, develop products and services to meet customers' need, promote and sell products and services to the customers, provide customer service after selling product services to the customer. It is very necessary for organizations to understand customers' demand. Where are their customers? What the customers need? Information system enables organizations to collect data about customers' preferences. Information system helps to process transactional databases of organization. Customers purchase several products, several services from the organization. Those data which customers have performed, those transactions data are stored within the system of organization. An information system will help to analyze those data and generate different kind of information which will enable organizations to understand consumer behaviors. On the basis of that information, organizations can optimize their services, develop products. They can understand where they have to promote the products, when they have to make advertisement, in which market they have to promote and sell products and services. And after selling and product services, how they can serve the customer, how many customers are willing to have after sales service. Information system will enable to help this kind of information for the organization. Manufacturing and production system handles planning, development and production of products and services. Controls manufacturing production process. Manufacturing production systems are basically concerned with developing products, and to develop the products raw materials are necessary. How many products to be developed? It should be understood, and that can be understood by analyzing customer data, doing research in the market. An information system will help to analyze or conduct researches about the customer's behavior. From that, organization can know what is the demand from the customers. Manufacturing control and production system can plan when to develop the product, how to develop the product, how many products have to be developed, what's with the quality, quantity of the product. So information system will provide this basic information required for production and manufacturing systems. It controls manufacturing and production process, how to conduct, when to conduct this manufacturing and production process. That information is provided by manufacturing and production systems. Finance and accounting system helps to keep track of firms' financial assets and fund flows. Organizations do lots of transactions. They have to take money from customers, they have to pay to the suppliers. So keeping track of this take and give of funds is not an easy task. Proper accounting and financing systems are required, which can easily keep track of firms' financial assets and fund flows. So information system related with finance and accounting system will help organizations to know to whom they have to pay, how many money they are expending in organization, how many customers are paying them in time. So finance and accounting system is one of the vital part of the organization. Human resources system maintain records of employees, track performance of employees, supports employees. Employees are the main component of organizations. Employees work for the organization. Employees have knowledge, skill. They gain experience after working for a certain period of time. And these human resource management systems helps to keep track of employees, their performances, and that data collected by human resource systems will be of great value for managers to decide who are the employees that are performing in better way, what are lacking in the employees, what kind of training should be provided to the employees. So human resource management system is one of another vital component of the organization. Now let's talk about relationship between information system, organization and business process. We already know that business processes refer to the way in which tasks and activities of organized, coordinate, results produced. Organization develops certain rules and regulation over the time, how to execute business processes or how to execute tasks and activities. It is necessary for managers to understand how business processes of organizations are conducted, how it can be improved, what flaws are there if any. Many business processes are cross-functional in nature, for example order processing. We know that basically there are four functional units in the organization: sales and marketing, manufacturing and production, account and finance, human resource. There are several business processes that span all of these functional units or more than one functional units. In case of the order processing, it starts from sales and marketing. And in order to process order for managers, it is necessary to know first what are the orders. Then it should get information from manufacturing and production system whether that order can be fulfilled or not. From the finance and account, it should take the information about that customer who put the order. So we can see there are several business processes which are cross-functional in nature. Information system can bring great flexibility within the organizations by automating business processes or part of processes, coordinating and integrating their business processes. Integration of several functional units is necessary. In the example of order processing, it is necessary to know information about that order, information about several entities involved within that order. Then only organization can perform in the better way. So information system can bring greater flexibility within the organization by automating business processes. That means information system will enable organizations to share data existing in different functional units easily, so that cross-functional business processes like order processing can be easily executed. Enterprise applications for promoting business process integration and improve organization performance. Enterprise applications span more than one functional unit. Enterprise applications integrate data from different functional units into one single system, such that data of several functional units can be accessed easily. Supply chain management, customer relationship management, enterprise resource planning, knowledge management are enterprise applications designed to support, coordinate, and integrate all the business processes of organizations so that organization can operate efficiently and effectively. It is vital for organizations to share data among different departments, different functional units. If organization cannot share its own data within the organization, that will be a problem. Supply chain management. In case of supply chain management, it is very necessary to have different information from different functional units. It is necessary to have information from finance and account department, whether the suppliers have been paid in time or not. It should be known to acquire raw material in time. How many raw materials are needed to make a product? How many products are to be made? That information can be gained from sales and marketing department. How many human resources are required to develop that product in time? About that information from human resource department is necessary. So integration of these different functional units within the organization is very, very necessary. And that integration of business processes, integration in such way, it can several departments can coordinate with each other easily. Enterprise applications are necessary. Enterprise applications span multiple functional units, integrate the key internal business process of firm into a single software system, so that information can flow throughout the organization. That must be understood clearly. That is very, very necessary for managers to know. Informations are to be shared, not to be hidden. If departments, functional units are not able to share data information with each other, then the business process will be very, very slow. Now let's talk about features of organization that are necessary for managers to know. To build information system, it is necessary to understand certain features of organization. Features like, what is the structure of organization? Is it hierarchical or flat? Hierarchical means different level of management can seen within the organization. Different managers will be working in different management level. Basically, we can see three different management level within the organization: operation level, tactical level, and strategic level. This management hierarchy, management levels have their own roles and responsibility. But in some organization, we can see flat hierarchy, means there doesn't exist proper level of management. The employees will get what information they need to execute their tasks and activities. They will make their own decisions because their decisions are based on information. That information generated by information system. Another feature of organization that is interesting to know is culture and politics. Organizations have its own rules and regulations to conduct business processes, to execute business processes. Employees have their own interest. Employees have their own feelings, their own ideas about executing business processes. That influences how the organization works. What kind of cultures been developed within the organization? How employees communicate with each other? Are there different group of employees? What are the interests of those employees within those groups? It is necessary to understand. So this culture and politics, that matters very much for proper utilization of information system. Organizations have goals, groups served, social groups. What organizations is targeting to achieve, that is the goal. Organization, if wanted to be a low cost producer, then organizations have to work accordingly. There will be several different kind of customers, and among those customers we can find several groups. That means organizations will be serving several groups. There will be social groups. So how those groups behave, it is necessary to understand. If organization want success, to have advantage, competitive advantage, it should know what kind of groups it is serving. Impact of information system and organization. Organization and information system interact and influence each other. Organizations acquire information system to achieve operational excellency, to ease decision making, to have competitive advantage. So organizations should build information system, understanding how organizations' future influence the information system. Information system should be designed such that it does not affect culture, politics that exists within the organization. Introduction of new information system affect features of organization like structure, goals, culture, decision making, day-to-day behavior. That is very vital for managers to understand. New information system may change the role of employees, may change the management hierarchy, may change how the decisions are made. Information system must be designed and developed to serve the needs of important groups. There are several groups exist for the organization. Some group may be bad also, but information system must be designed to serve need of the most important groups of the organization, those groups whose existence is necessary for the existence of organization. Information system is shaped by organization's structure, culture, politics, goals, business processes, and management. We cannot ignore a structure of organization. If the role of employees are changed with information system, in that case, employees may avoid using information system. So organization people must understand how this information system will bring change. If the changes will hamper culture, politics, goals, the way business process is conducted, then that will be a problem for the employees and problem for the organization. But at the same time, if information systems are used correctly, if the information system is developed considering organizational features, then information system can help organization to reduce its transaction agency cost. Organization may be helped to work with less number of employees. That means agency cost that incurred in an employees that can be reduced by using the information system with a minimum number of employees. While doing transactions, several costs are incurred. If online transaction is done, in that case, transaction cost can be reduced. Information system department is responsible for the information system functions of organization. There must be a department within the organization which take care of information system, how the information system is performing, whether tuning of information system is necessary or not, whether existing modules has to be enhanced or not, whether new modules have to be added or not. All these things should be considered seriously by information system department. Support activities of managers in organization. Information systems support activities of managers in organization. Managers' roles are now different. Traditionally, managers' roles are planning, organizing, coordinating, deciding, and controlling. But new role of managers are fragmented, variegated, and brief in duration. With managers moving quickly from one issue to another, the role of managers have become diverse. Managers not only plan, organize, coordinate, decide, control. Managers work as a figurehead. Managers work as an inspiration for other employees. Managers help employees to work together. Managers solve problems of employees. Managers communicate about their own interest, their habits with other people. Managers also like to share about their experience about other things like roaming in places. So role of managers have been changed. Information technology provides new tools for managers to pursue both traditional and new roles. Information technology enables managers to plan, monitor, forecast with more precision and speed than before, and responds to changing in business environment. If managers know what are the information needed to cope with the change, then they can respond quickly. And it is the job of information technology to analyze the business and figure out changes and what information knowledge are required to handle those changes. So it is necessary that information technology should be used correctly. Information systems help managers in disseminating information, providing liaison between different levels of employees, allocating resources. So information system not only helps managers to plan, organize, coordinate, decide, control, but it also helps to help other employees of the organization. Information systems provide several different kinds of informations that will help managers to become information head. But there are certain issues, certain things which cannot be solved with the help of management information system. Support various business strategies for competitive advantage. Information system can provide strategies at business level, firm level, and industry level. Information system at the business level can be used to become low-cost producers, differentiate products, serve new market, lock in customers and suppliers. At the business level, organization will be developing several strategies so that they can succeed in the competitive market. To succeed in the competitive market, organizations have to use different strategies like becoming low cost producer or differentiating product or to serve in new market, locking customers, suppliers. And to do all these things, information is necessary. How production cost can be reduced so that organization can become low cost producer. To know that, organizations need information. At the firm level, different business units can be tied to achieve new efficiencies, enhance services so that they can work like a single unit. At the firm level, business different business units can be integrated. There are several business units within organizations like sales and marketing, manufacturing, production, human resource, etc. These business units can be integrated with the help of information system. By integrating these business units, tasks can be done quickly because whatever information need to execute that task is available at the fingertips because there is the single system that will enhance services of the organization. At the industry level, information system facilitates organizations to cooperate with each other. In the industry, there will be several organizations working. These organizations can form consortium or communities for sharing, exchanging information, transactions. They can coordinate activities with each other so that they can work together and work efficiently. Concept about competitive force model, information partnership, business ecosystem, network economics help to identify strategic opportunities for systems at the industry level. Competitive force model provided by Michael Porter. Concepts of competitive force model are very necessary even today in the time of internet. Suppliers bargaining power, customers bargaining power have been little bit changed with the introduction of internet. Customers can find information about products anytime anywhere in the internet. So we have to think what internet has done. Has internet reduced bargaining power of customer or increased bargaining power of customers? So concept of competitive force like bargaining power supplier, bargaining power employee, threat of new entrant, threat of substitute product, rivalry within the industry, that are very vital to understand at the industry level. Information partnership means sharing information about different industries. That information system will help how to do information partnership, how to share data, and which industries should be sharing the data. In case of the tourism industry, it is very necessary to share data with food and beverage industry. It is very necessary to know information from the security industry. Otherwise, tourism industry cannot survive. Business ecosystem. In case of the business ecosystem, there will be several business organizations existing. How these business organizations are working, it is necessary to know. So the concept of these basic things like competitive force model, information partnership, etc., will help to identify strategic opportunities for system at the industry level. Thank you.